I'm Deb Wesselman.
And I'm Ann Potter.
And we hope you plan on registering for the 2022 EMDR virtual conference in September. We are excited to present restructuring personality and attachment patterns through integration of the PAC model and EMDR therapy. Attachment and developmental trauma negatively impact the development of a strong sense of self, a balanced personality structure, and the ability to form healthy attachments in present-day relationships. Anne coined the term Velcro kids to describe the phenomenon of younger parts of self who seem to be ever present in adult life, impacting perceptions, emotions, and responses.
Yes, those kid parts of self often attempt to get unmet childhood attachment needs met through adult life relationships, which we all know as therapists does not work. The good news is that clients have the inner strengths and resources they need to fulfill those unmet childhood needs within themselves in a healthy way. Our 3-hour workshop is an overview of the PAC model of personality restructuring as integrated into EMDR resourcing in the preparation phase. Utilizing our model leads clients to an internalized sense of safety and nurturing, new internal and external attachment patterns, a strengthened, competent adult part of clients' authentic self, and new roles for parts of self to replace the misguided defensive patterns learned in childhood.
And we find that the strengthened, healthier internal personality system allows our clients to utilize EMDR reprocessing more effectively. We hope to see you at the conference in September.